Hey guys, I am so pissed off. So I never go to freaking Jersey Mike's, right? But recently I saw a documentary that said they've been around in New York or Jersey since the 1950s or something like that. Whatever I can remember, who cares? But yesterday I saw a TV commercial that said that they're delivering. Free delivery. And I'm like, whoa, now that's aggressive. And I remember I used to like their steak sandwiches, but it's been so long. When I think of hungriness, I go to that place that gives me some straight from Philly bread and the real stuff for a cheesesteak sandwich. But now I'm thinking, okay, let's go ahead and call Jersey Mike's and get that free delivery so I can have with my coffee and chill. Look at this freaking picture. Look how many times I had to call this place and nobody picks up the freaking phone. Look at this. Okay, now in case you're wondering which freaking Jersey Mike's I'm talking about, here's the picture of the one that I'm referring to. The one on East Orlando on Lake Underhill and Alafaya Trail. So I said, okay, so maybe they just don't have enough people to pick up the phone and they want you to order online. So I go to the freaking website and the freaking website doesn't work either. It's not recognizing my password. So here I go, already getting more and more pissed. I forgot my password link. And I wait 10-15 minutes and no freaking password, a temporary password ever comes. Unfortunately, my stomach is king. And I already got my mouth in saliva like Pavlov's dogs, salivating for that freaking sandwich, especially after I saw one called the Big Kahuna, spelled Kahuna, which has green peppers, mushrooms, onions, jalapenos, which I'm kicking out, and extra white cheese. So I said, that's the one I want. So unfortunately, I could not even place the freaking order online either. So lucky for me, this is only about 2 miles away. So I'm going over there now, but then now I have to wait for them to cook it. Oh, I'm already smelling a big, huge thumbs down on this video. But let me try to be chill and head over there now. Just stay with me and see what the heck is the outcome of all this. Okay, I'm getting close to getting there. Why is this freaking guy over here? Okay, there it is. I do see people there, so they're open. So let's see what's going on. Okay guys, look what I got here. Finally in my freaking hands. The whole ordeal has taken 25 minutes. But that's okay. I got what I came for. And I do need to let you know that the reason the phone was not working is because the computer's not working. Their systems are down. So that's why the website would not send me my password to retry, or maybe my password was never bad anyways, just wasn't working. So I was very upset, and now I realize that there was some problems there. Now I've been to this location before and it's always pretty, but because of our situation with the sickness, they removed the entire tables and chairs from the lobby. So it looks not as appealing. They do have a huge transparent cover to keep the customers and the food away from the people working. Anyway, let's go home and open this up, put a little ketchup in it and see if it works. Now what did I get? I got number 56, the big Kahuna minus jalapenos. So I'm getting double cheese of a white cheese, which is always good in little sandwich shops. I don't know why. Cheesesteak, onions, mushrooms, peppers. So even though I was very aggravated, the sound of those beautiful combination toppings together, melting over cheese, just puts a smile on my face. But let's see if the taste is there. Hang in there with me. Now I must say, what's wrong with this world? Luckily I had cash. I never have cash because they couldn't run my charge on a credit card. But when I looked, I found the 20. A freaking miracle. If not, I was gonna leave super pissed off. Anyway, what am I trying to say here? I gave the lady a 20. She gave me back a 10, a 1, a dime, and a penny. So how much is a half a freaking sub here? The normal size one. I mean, what is that? $9? What happened to the $5 days? I mean, I know Subway's always doing $5, but they got no taste. So that's a wasted $5. But do I want to pay $10? 9 something for the big Kahuna? I'll find out. In there with me. Hey guys, finally made it back home. Here's proof. Anyway, let's go ahead and set this up so that you can see the big reveal. I'm gonna pull out a little ketchup, plate it for you, and take a bite and see how it goes. Now, I can already tell that some of you guys out there are talking about leaving me a comment because nobody puts ketchup on a cheesesteak sandwich. Well, guess what? The comments are 100% OFF off just because of people like you. Keep your comments to yourself, especially when I'm pissed. Okay, follow me. Okay, here's my trusty Aldi's ketchup. I am a ketchup connoisseur, and for 500 years I've only been buying Heinz ketchup, and then I found that Aldi's ketchup, which is $1.99, not $5, compared to Heinz, is freaking as good as the Heinz ketchup. Sorry about that again. My television kicked on at the wrong time twice in a row. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. I'm gonna try to do it with my left hand because I'm videotaping with the right. Let's take a nice look at this. See how it comes right out of the package. It looks pretty good, right? Okay, let's go ahead and set this up right here. Look at the cheese. Remember, this is extra cheese. What do I do with this stuff? I'm hood, baby. You think I'm gonna waste this? That's going into my plate. It's not even going to my dog after paying $11 for this. Okay, what's my next step? Can I do this one-handed? Let's shake and bake the ketchup. Can I open it one-handed? Yes. Now I need to spread the wings of the sandwich. Oh, the cheese has it all locked in, guys. Look how pretty. Whoa, look at that. Okay, I better hurry. Oh yeah, just a nice little touch will do. Only put a few dots, nothing else. Don't overdo it. Okay guys, what do you think? Time to pig out. I got my coffee going. You don't believe me? Watch this. Einstein's hazelnut vanilla, ready to go and meet me with this sandwich. All right, let's take a bite. Okay, last chance to look at the whole one. Look at this. Pugetto. Here it goes. The deciding factor after a 30-minute investment in time. The extra cheese is awesome. Oh, the mushrooms, the onions, so crispy. Oh, I cannot take another bite. I gotta get my coffee and get my settlement down. I'm gonna watch a new Netflix movie. Anyway, guys, lots of aggravation, but this sandwich is darn good. Number 56, Big Kahuna. Make sure you remove the freaking jalapenos. Okay? Until the next video, thanks for putting up with me. And my anger is gone. Anytime something this good hits my belly, look at the big smile. Until the next video. Hey, hold on a second. Somebody that I know again asked me, why are they not getting notifications every time I release a new masterpiece video? I'm so tired of every freaking video wasting my time telling you. Not only do you have to click the subscribe button, but on the left of it or the right of it, depending on where you're facing, there's a little school bell. You gotta touch it so that you get notified. Please help me out here. All right, guys, you know what else would make me happy? If you give me one of these. Give me a thumbs up, all right? And watch some of my other videos. You're gonna learn quite a bit and definitely be entertained. Extreme Life Reviewer giving Jersey Mike's sandwich number 56, a Big Kahuna, a thumbs up, but giving them a thumbs down on the phone down, the computer down, the no credit cards because they were down, only cash only. I almost got screwed on how to drive back home. Then it would have been a 1-hour investment. Irregardless, I'm happy. Coffee time. Let's go. I'm out, baby.